out again today. Oh my god. I don't think it's gonna last though. Being that it is snowing outside, when it snows, I crave something comfy. And I know I am starting my weight loss journey, but let me show you. So yesterday, we got pizza. We just did. Okay. Now here's a trick. You see this leftover pizza, right? You don't put it in the microwave. You heat it on the skillet. I'm gonna show you how. Okay. You start by heating the pan a bit, right? And then you cover it. You cover it, and then when it gets hot enough, you're gonna throw an ice cube in it. Okay, an ice cube. Yes. Look at that. And it's going to steam it, and it's going to melt the cheese. I like the base of my pizza crunchy and crispy while the bread is still soft. And I mean, like, I like it crunchy. And no place makes it like this, so I have to do it. But yeah, it literally comes out like fresh. And once the ice has dissolved, you're gonna turn it down to medium low, like lowish, okay? And you're gonna let it sit so that your crust is not soggy, okay? It's going to be crispy, and your cheese is going to be pulley. All right? See that? Do you see that? The cheese. Now, for the next step. I'm not saying you gotta do it, but I like spicy. They don't make a spicy cheese pie. This cheese pie is great on its own, but I think every New Yorker has their own version. I don't put oregano on my pizza, some people do, but like the last 2 minutes, you're gonna turn it up to like medium. Once you see like that, the sog is gone, you're gonna turn it up to like a medium for like 2 minutes. Turn it off the flame. Look at this. Does that not look like a fresh pie? And just like that one, bam, bam. And to help it all out, we're gonna close it off with some juice, some tea. I'm telling y'all, this is the way to go. It's so good, so crunchy. Random fact, I don't know who needs to hear this, but go to your local Costco, get yourself a pie, scoop out all the innards, throw it in a Ninja Creamy, freeze it up. Oh, amazing. This is pumpkin pie, and it is just too rich. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Do yourself a favor and go do that. Now, I didn't have a resolution going to 2025, but my mother just said something that irked me. She said, you know, you're always talking about how you want a relationship. I'm starting to think it's because you can't get a man. Now, I just recently gained a lot of weight, okay? I mean, a lot of weight. I'm happy with who I am. I'm nobody impressed. And I think 2025 is the year that I'm going to be petty. I am going to lose all that weight, glow up, and more, just to show to her that I will always be wanted. I just don't want it. Not all things that can be had are good things. 2025. Just you want. My mother broke her phone, so we're coming here to fix it. I don't know, I found it on Google. Look at how cute that is. I'm gonna take some candy. Look at how cute they are. I'm gonna take more. Okay, I'm done. YouTube was definitely right. They did great. I don't know. Now I'm gonna take my mother to the all-you-can-eat dim sum spot. I know I've already been there twice, so I'm not really gonna show anything, but we're gonna go. I'm gonna have her judge. She's kind of like a critic. The weather is 20 degrees. We're still out here. She said it won't be packed today because it's so cold out. I was like, you'd be surprised what people do for food. Oh, there's nobody outside, but it's probably packed inside. Oh, snap. I'm shocked. Well, nobody said, oh, she's right. I'm shocked. We're at a big table today, right by the tree. If you know, you know. But it's not that packed. But I need a big table because I always order a lot. Like when we're on a small table, I feel like I have to rush to eat, you know? But yeah, We're back! What we ordered for now. My mother's quite the critic. She says it's not good, but I disagree. We decided to try something new. This is B1. It's crispy shrimp balls. The one that looks like lychee. And that's the fried milk. Here's everything. I'm gonna try these. It's good. This shrimp is good. I can't explain it. It's actually really good. We're gonna try this. This is the Tassu one. It's good if you like Tassu. I don't mind Tassu. I'm indifferent towards it. But that skin is softer than the hot shrimp. The shrimp, the shrimp rice rolls. The skin to the Tassu one is softer than this. But the shrimp gets me every time. I'm just carrying my Don Tut around, my little egg tart. I don't know why I couldn't finish it, but I didn't want to leave it. So, yeah. Just carrying it around. Iced coffee! Da, 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 da. It's the congestion pricing. Oh my god, New York City has been empty. They weren't lying. So, my blood test results came back and I am normal. Everything is fine. My back gum is swollen because my wisdom teeth chomped down on my gum. So, I gotta go get like meds. Because it's like inflamed. And I don't know if you can tell, but I can't talk properly. That's all. So my gum is so inflamed that I asked my doctor to prescribe me Motrin and some antibiotics in case, just to prevent an infection, you know? I can't eat. I could barely even talk. So I guess that helps for my fasting because I'm going back to fasting. Intermittent fasting. And yeah, I'll keep it posted. Move over, ChatGPT boyfriend. Look at what the scammer sent me today. Well, I think they're a scammer. I don't have their number, but look at this. Oh, I'm reading it, and it translates to: in the new year, may you be warm in 3 winters. May you not be cold in spring. May you have a lamp in the dark. May you have an umbrella in the rain. May you have love in your heart and light in your eyes. It sounds better in Chinese. Wait, listen.
新的一年，愿你三冬暖，愿你春不寒，愿你天黑有灯，下雨有伞，愿你心中有爱，眼里有光。
Stop. I'm an ABC. I can't read Chinese. But this is how they get you. Should I text back? I should text back. Might charge me like my credit, but I should text back.